What's up guys, Chicks here from Chicks Food Vlogs. So today we're going to be making egg fried vegetable rice. So for the ingredients, we've got some vegetables here. We've got broccoli, some shredded carrots, some small baby carrots, okay, peas, got one green chili there, and some yellow bell pepper. Okay, rice, this is a leftover already cooked rice. Okay, so we're going to make something out of that, and we've got 2 eggs. Okay, we've got pepper, and we've got some spices if we need them. So first of all, turn the machine on to 140 and add some oil. Roughly 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay, if you just feel with your hand, hover it, and you'll know it. You'll feel the heat. Chuck the vegetables in first. Let that cook for a minute or two. Add some pepper. A tablespoon of salt. Good mix. Okay, in goes the rice. So crack your eggs in now. Don't mix it all up yet, otherwise you'll have gooey rice. You have to cook your egg first. I'm going to season the egg with a bit of salt and pepper. Okay, first of all I'm going to mix the egg and the rice. Okay, now you can mix it all together. Soy sauce time. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Give it another good mix. Okay, so I'm going to give this a quick taste to see if I need to add anything else. I added a pinch of red chili, just a small pinch, because I just like spicy food. So I'm going to plate this up. Check that out. Alright, so let's give this a taste. Okay, so it's tasting time. Perfect. A really nice egg and vegetable fried rice. It's really flavoursome and tasty. Yeah, I did add a pinch of red chili at the end, but that's just me. You don't have to do that. Really simple dish and lots of flavour. Try this one out and let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.